Hello everybody, this is Shannon with Beads and Babble. I am here with not a tutorial, but a update on the channel and an unboxing, a little something different. I do want to apologize that I haven't uploaded any tutorials recently. I have been dealing with some health issues that slowed me down. So bear with me. I will get back to it as soon as my health is allowing me to do both my business and the YouTube channel. As I'm sure most of you know, I am the face of beadsandbabble.com. Also have a Etsy store, Beads and Babble, and I've been doing that since 2008. Jewelry's been a passion of mine since I was a little girl, so I have a jewelry supply and bead store combo. And I've been, like I said, doing that since 2008. So I have to prioritize my time, especially now. But I also wanted to give you an update on the channel. We're nearing the 1,000 subscriber mark, which is a huge benchmark for us. And I appreciate everybody that's subscribed to the channel. And also to remind you that I will be doing the giveaway. I was going to do one prize, but I think I'm going to draw 3 winners because I've had such wonderful support and encouragement from everybody in the comment section. It's been phenomenal, and I cannot thank you guys enough. And I'm starting to get more relaxed when I'm doing the tutorials and not as many mms and ahs. And so thank you for hanging in there with me as I maneuver this new journey in the creating this channel. Also, I'll be doing this unboxing that I ordered from Rio Grande, and the reason why I'm doing it is because I have never really, well, I've worked with gold filled, but not to the extent that I'm going to be, like with soldering and stuff like that. The reason why I'm doing it is one of my daughter-in-laws loves the gold finish over sterling silver, which is what I predominantly make my jewelry out of. And so I wanted to do her something really nice for her birthday, and that's why I ordered this. So wish me luck, and I'll unbox this here shortly. So like I said, if you haven't got into the comment section, please do, because the drawing for the 3 winners is going to be based off of comments. So I encourage you to get in there, whether it's just to say hi or ask a question. You know, there's whatever you'd like. Drop a emoji in there or something. But thank you. I just wanted to just take this time and thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for all the support. I haven't received one negative comment, which means a lot to me, especially with social media, and it's so easy to drop in that negativity. And I have got nothing but positive comments, positive reinforcing and of the channel and all good stuff. So I really appreciate that. So on to the unboxing. This is from Rio Grande, of course. And I ordered this, I think last week, and I think I got here yesterday. I didn't realize it got here yesterday, but it did. Shows you I was busy. This is just the invoice that they send. They always pack so nicely as well. Now I'm going to pull out their packaging here and then set this box aside. But yeah, their packaging is really good. I always repurpose it as well. Now these are just pre-made. I've been making a lot of silver studs to take with me to the local market here, and I really like their ear studs, ear posts with the slight one out here disc on it here, platform. It makes for soldering easier. It gives more of a surface, so they're more secure, and they also have the adjustment notches on the post. I'll put this up here so in case you want to order some, so you have the numbers. I love those. And then these are just the corresponding ear nuts. I know some people make these, but it's too time consuming for me, and I'd rather spend it on designing and doing other things. But these just go with the post, and I needed some of these to finish off some earrings that, some stud earrings that I did. I'll have to show them on Instagram, some of the jewelry I've completed. Now, this is the exciting stuff. Oh, I'm sure not to keep my fingers and stuff out of the way of this knife here. It's not very sharp, but they always seal really nice. They put cardboard in here to keep the wire from bending. Yeah, see that? And then this is some sheet. Okay, so I did order some sterling silver. I like their rectangular wire. It's awesome for making all sorts of things. Ring bands, stackers. I use it to make some necklaces, and I use this 1mm stamp font, and I do a lot of anniversary dates or childbirth dates or special meanings to people, and then I make a very small circular ring out of it, and I either put it on a leather bracelet or a necklace. So I needed some more of that. And then here's what I ordered for my daughter-in-law's project. This is some dead soft 14 gauge round wire. Just simple round gold-filled wire. I'm super excited about this. I ordered 2 feet because I want to make sure I can hack this before, because it's expensive. I'm not going to lie, it's expensive. As I'm sure everybody knows, any kind of precious metal is expensive. This is actually a brass core with the gold-filled over the top, and gold-filled is much, much better than plated. It is a compressed finish. It wears like gold. It's really durable. This is a 12 gauge half round wire, so for like ring bands or whatever. And this to me seems smaller than 12 gauge sterling. I don't know, but I can also solder 2 of these together so that but she likes delicate bands anyway, so that's probably a good thing. And then I ordered some of this decorative kind of bead wire. This can be a little fragile, so you got to make sure it's annealed and stuff before you start bending. It's 1.9mm. I wanted this for making some definite little embellishments and stuff. And then I had to order, this is a lot of solder for, but this is all you could get. You couldn't get anything. It's 1 ounce, and this is, oh my goodness, it is hard, but it's for gold fill specifically, so I'm sure this will last me a lifetime. I could honestly probably done with just a tiny bit of this, but you need your solder, and this is hard solder. This was like the only option, but on Etsy they have one that's an easy, so I'm going to see how this goes and see how it matches with the silver, and I'll show you that maybe on Instagram. I like Instagram a lot. There's a lot of people with like minds there for artisan jewelry and stuff. And this is bezel wire. It's just plain bezel wire, 3/16 and 1/8, and this is 28 gauge, and this is 30 gauge, which is fairly thin. So it's fragile, so you have to be careful with that as well. But that's for the project. And then I'll open this up. This is going to be the sheet for back plating or making anything out of it. And this is ridiculously expensive for this 1 by, I think it's 4-inch. Let's see here. It is, I guess I could look at the label too. It is double clad though, which means it's on both sides, which is nice because you can get single clad, which means that the gold fill is only on one side rather than both sides. And if you're doing it as a back plate, I guess you could do the single clad, but if I want to use it for anything else, I would want the double clad. So I just went ahead and bought that. This little piece was $37 almost. Isn't that ridiculous? So I don't want to scratch it or anything because you don't want to have to do a lot of polishing on Goldfield because it is a finish put on a base metal, a brass base metal. It's okay. I mean, you still can polish it because it looks a little bit, I mean, it's not completely shiny, but you know, it's great. And this will be great for doing any kind of setting any cabochons, which I'm going to set a cabochon. And I think I'm going to make her a ring and possibly a pendant necklace as well, and see how it goes. But this, I believe, what did I say it was gauge? I think I went with 22 gauge, which is usually a really nice back plating. You can, I think, go down as far as 24 with smaller stones, but a 22 is pretty right there in the middle. 20 kind of gets a little thick, but we're going to see how it goes. I do like working with my sterling, fine silver, argentium silver, and stuff like that. And this is the first time I've worked with this particular type of metal with torch and, you know, creating something that is not wire wrapped or, you know, doesn't require any soldering or heat or anything. So yes, I'm going to venture onto a new media. So wish me luck, people. Alrighty, so that kind of wraps up the unboxing and kind of my thing. But as I said in the beginning of the video, please get in there and get in those comments because I have a feeling the giveaway is going to happen fairly soon. So, and until the next time, I will be seeing you and bringing you a tutorial of some sort. Have a great day.